All right, this is our new stand that we have. It is packed now. But one great thing I like about this one, it comes with a lot of little pockets where you can sit. So these pots and pans that we have, these are large pots and pans that cannot fit in certain areas. But now look at it. We got plenty of space on the bottom. Now, one of the great things I like about it is that those C cups, those K cups, look where we put them. Look at this. There's actually a drawer now. And then there's two drawers actually. Look at the bottom for our extra s'mores and coffees and sugars and all that stuff. So not only do we have a great station, we have our coffee machine here. Enough coffee cups for everybody. Extra ones here. We got our syrups, extra crackers and cookies. Our steamer fits perfect. I love my steamer, so I have to have an eye on it. Our great coffee sets. Other cups that we have. Our chocolate abuelita, some snacks, and our cornflakes. This is a great breakfast area here if you want to set up. I like that it comes with the hangers for you can hang your cups. Plenty of space for your coffee machines. We had another rack where it had a second layer, and it was for the K cups. Now we don't need it because the K cups going down there. We got rid of that stuff. Big pots. You could fit your big pots everywhere now. I like the way it looks. And I didn't even show you the best part about it. Let me talk to you a bit about the best part about it. So we had a cable running all the way here. Now no more. Now we have three connections, 3-prong connection, a power off in connection, and that's about it. The only thing I wish I had a USB so we could plug in our phones when we're charging them right next to it, but it is worth it. Now you're gonna have plenty of space too. Before we had similar stand that didn't have this part of the space, and it was just a dead space. But now we fulfill it. We have plenty of room right next to a water source. So if you guys are looking for great coffee stations just like this, and we're showing you how it is. This is how it is. It's we pack it up to the max. We keep all the snacks up there, everything. The only reason we do that, and I want to show you guys why, because these things go in cabins and drawers and we forget about them and they expire. So that's why we're going to keep an eye on it. I know it looks a little cluttered, but this is how it's supposed to be in real life. We just clutter the thing, make sure everything's being used. So if you guys are looking for a great stand like this, hope you guys enjoy this video.